se siente, dime qué se siente, dime qué se siente, el sudor en la frente, dime qué se siente, dime si presientes.
So we're inside the library, and we're going to be looking at the different places where we can study. So as you can see, there's some desks over here, so you can have a little bit of privacy. So this is one way to study and prepare for a test. And then there's a table if you have a larger group. And then, oh, it's Miss Rosales. Hi, Miss Rosales. I didn't know she was going to be in here.
Yes, the university tries to make the library comfortable for everybody, and so they provide chairs where you can be comfortable and relax and do your studying. But also, if you had to take notes, they've got little desks available so that you can sit down, take your notes, and be relaxed while you do your work.
Very fancy.
It's really important that you do feel comfortable when you're studying and that you don't tense up so that the information that you're studying really stays with you.
Thank you, Ms. Rosales.
You're welcome. Welcome to the library at the University of Arizona. Sometimes you need to study with other people so that everybody can collaborate and share the information from the class and share notes. If you're going to be allowed in a group and you want to study in the library because you don't have a spot in your house, the libraries at the university provide study rooms. Let's go check one out and see what they look like. Study rooms are a perfect location for big groups to get together and study together. If we come right over here, we can see that there's a group study room at the university, and they've got several rules. Let's check it out. These rooms are soundproof. So we can see that lots of people can fit in here, and the university provides boards in case you need to do a math problem or you need to draw pictures for anything that you need. The university provides whiteboards and old school chalkboards. The university also provides high-tech rooms with computer technology in case you're working on a PowerPoint. So there's lots of things available, but you can see that it is very important to work together with your friends, with your classmates, to collaborate and share work and notes, because two heads are better than one.
All right, so we're going to be walking through the ILC downstairs. Oh, nice.
And this is the integrated.
I like that. So we're now downstairs underneath the library. We're going to take a little tour down here. I hope you enjoy the little tour of the computers and some of the study areas. This is actually the underground, the underbelly of the university, if you may. And this is actually a university college. So if you are undecided, this is probably where you're going to start.
Not even sweary cute. You got these people fooled who see you on the tube, whatever try to crew. They see you on the news.
you saw one of the signs underneath in the library that you noticed that it said to drink water, get plenty of sleep. One of the most important test-taking tips that I think we should share with you is that you have to be refreshed before a test, and you do have to get some sleep. Otherwise, you're not going to perform as well as you should. What do you think, Ms. Rosales?
I definitely agree. Make sure you eat breakfast before you leave the house, or eat breakfast at school. It's important that you fuel your body and your brain.
Good advice from Ms. Rosales.
I'm in your hood. If you a gangster, what you here for? Somebody better get bruh before he gets sent for. Say you wanna squash it, what you still talking for? I got
Preparing for an exam while in advance is the only way that you can ensure your success. Cramming for a test the night before is not an effective way of studying. What I'm here to do today is show you a strategy that should help you in preparing for your exams. As you can see here, we have an 8-day study plan, which allows you to plan for your exam 8 days in advance. Let's say that your exam is next Friday. Make sure that you use your calendar to record these items. Count back 8 days from the day of your exam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thursday of the week before is the day that you should start planning. So here is when you will divide all the material into 4 equal parts. We will call these A, B, C, and D. The next day, on Friday, you should study Part A. Saturday, Part B. Sunday, study Part C. Monday, study Part D. On Tuesday of the week of the test, you will review parts A and B together. On Wednesday of the week of the test, you will review parts C and D together. And on Thursday, the day before the test, you will clarify parts A, B, C, and D. A good way to also prepare is to make sure that you're writing down questions that aren't clear for you when you're studying for each part. Please note that you should only be studying for one of the parts on that particular day. Do not go ahead or behind and try to study more than one part a day until the day comes around. Employing this strategy will help you to successfully plan for your test. Taking 8 days will make sure that you are ready to take the test and ace the test.